Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your nutrition with Blue Apron, full guide step by step clearly. Start by signing up for a Blue Apron account on their website. Choose a meal plan that suits your dietary preferences and lifestyle. Consider options such as the signature plan for varied recipes or the vegetarian plan for plant-based meals. Once you select a plan, explore the weekly menu for available recipes. Pay attention to nutritional information provided for each meal. Look for options that align with your health goals, such as low-calorie or high-protein dishes. Adjust portion sizes based on your individual dietary needs. After selecting your meals, customize any ingredients if desired. This feature allows you to swap out proteins or select vegetarian alternatives. Once your meals arrive, unpack them and review each recipe card included. Take note of the ingredients and nutritional details listed on each card. Plan your cooking schedule based on the meals you've chosen. Prioritize recipes with ingredients that have a shorter shelf life. Prep your ingredients before starting to cook for a smoother process. Measure out oils, spices, and seasonings according to the recipe. Follow the cooking instructions step by step, making adjustments as needed. Consider portioning out leftovers for future meals to reduce waste. Track your meals in a journal to monitor how they align with your nutrition goals. Assess how you feel after consuming each meal and adjust choices accordingly. Experiment with different recipes over time to keep your meals exciting. Search for new ingredient combinations to enhance flavor and nutrition. Evaluate your overall progress toward your health goals regularly. Enjoy the process of discovering new flavors and improving your nutrition with Blue Apron. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.